We got hired on with this outfit. This is a lagoon for sewer water. So they hired me and my skiddy and mini to come in, help finish grade this, dig the anchor trench. We're gonna be putting liner in. Still got a little bit of fine grading over there, but this is the cushion for the geogrid. Then we'll have a liner. The liner guys are scheduled to come in on Monday, and yeah, then I'll be helping them finish another cell just up from here.